What is the currency of Gambia? The correct answer is B. Dalasi. So, the Gambian dalasi is the official currency of the Republic of Gambia, and the dalasi replaced the Gambian and West African pound in 1971 at the rate of 5:1. What is the currency of the country Kosovo? The correct answer is A, that is Euro. So, the Euro is the official currency of 19th of the 27th member state of the European Union, and this group of states is known as the Eurozone. What is the currency of the country Ecuador? The correct answer is E, that is US dollar. So, the United States dollar is the official currency of the United States and several other countries. The Coinage Act of 1792 introduced the US dollar at per the Spanish silver dollar, which is divided into 100 cents. Match the following countries with their currencies. The correct answer is A, that is for Brazil it is real. Then Eritrea, the currency is Nakfa. Then Hungary, it is forint. Then Malaysia, it is ringgit. And Bhutan, it is Ngultrum. Bolivar is the currency of which of the following country? The correct answer is C, Venezuela. What is the currency of Ethiopia? The correct answer is C, that is birr. The birr is the unit of currency in Ethiopia. It is subdivided into 100 centim. What is the currency of Azerbaijan? The correct answer is A, that is manat. So, the manat is the currency of Azerbaijan. It is subdivided into 100 kopek. What is the currency of Bangladesh? The correct answer is A, that is taka. So, the taka was introduced in Bangladesh in 1972, replacing the Pakistan rupee at par. What is the currency of Denmark? The correct answer is D, that is Danish krone. The Danish krone is the official currency of Denmark, Greenland and the Faroe Islands. What is the minimum average maturity period for long-term foreign currency denominated external commercial borrowings? The correct answer is A, that is 10 years. So, for repayment of rupee loan availed domestically for purposes other than capital expenditure and for on lending by NBFCs. Dirham is the currency of Morocco, the C option. So, the United Arab Emirates is also known as simple the Emirati Dirham is the currency of the United Arab Emirates, and the dirham is subdivided into 100 fils. What is the currency of Jamaica? The correct answer is A, that is dollar. So, the Jamaican dollar is the official currency of Jamaica. The place where it is issued since 1969, its abbreviation is the dollar sign. It is a dollar sign or this sign or JA dollar to differentiate it from the US dollar and other types of dollar. What is the currency of Greece? The correct answer is D, that is euro. So, the euro is the official currency of 19 of the 27 member states of the European Union, and this euro is divided into 100 cents. What is the currency of Botswana? The correct answer is B, that is pula. So, the pula is the currency of Botswana and it has the ISO 4217 code and BWP, and it's subdivided into 100 TB. What is the currency of Peru? The correct answer is B, that is sol. So, the sol is the currency of Peru and it is subdivided into 100 centimos. What is the currency of Iran? That is the B1, Iranian rial. So the rial is the currency of Iran and there is no official symbol for the currency. The technique used for printing Reserve Bank of India appearing on the face of the Indian currency notes is, the correct answer is A, that is intaglio printing. So intaglio printing is the opposite of relief printing, in that the printing is done from ink, the surface of the plate. Name the digital currency project jointly launched by United Arab Emirates and Saudi Central Bank. The correct answer is B, Aber. So Aber was created by the Central Bank of Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates to explore domestic and cross-border settlement using a single regional currency. In India, currency notes of 500 and 1000 were declared invalid in the year. The correct answer is C, that is 2016. So the Government of India announced the demonetization on 8th November 2016. Government issued new 500 and 2000 currency notes after that. In which year Paper Currency Act was introduced in India? The correct answer is B, that is 1861. So the Paper Currency Act of 1861 conferred upon Government of India the monopoly of note issue, bringing to an end the note issues of private and presidency bank. Which of the following sections of Reserve Bank of India Act gives RBI the sole authority to issue currency notes of various demonetizations? So the correct answer is B, that is Section 22 of RBI Act 1934. Section 22 states that the only RBI has the exclusive rights to issue currency notes in India, and Section 24 states that the maximum denomination a note can be is rupees 10,000, and Section 26 of Act describes the legal tender character of Indian banknotes. Which Delhi Sultan was responsible for introducing token currency? The correct answer is B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So he ruled over northern part of the Indian subcontinent and the Deccan. He moved his capital to Daulatabad in 1329 and Tughlaq introduced representative of or token money. These were coin of copper and brass that could be exchanged for fixed amount of gold and silver from the Delhi Sultanate. The outcome of devaluation of currency is, the correct answer is B, that is increased export and improvement in balance of payments. So the outcome of devaluation of currency is increased exports and improvement in balance for payments. Which country launched its own cryptocurrency named Petro? The correct answer is A, that is Venezuela. So Petro is a cryptocurrency proposed by the government of Venezuela to circumvent international sanctions against it and revive the country's falling economy. Select the appropriate answer from the given option to fill the following sentence: market goods generally dash by currency inflation. The correct answer is D, that is not available at all. So market goods generally not available at all by currency inflation. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.